What did you do?
Freckles had to go to the vet today and have her anal glands expelled.
You're gross.
I know. It's so gross. And then the vet, I've never done that before. Did you do it with your dog? Have you ever done it with Sophie?
Like taking her to the vet?
Yeah, or done it yourself?
You're foul.
You know.
You're foul.
The vet was like, she had very swollen glands, and the stuff in there was really thick and gross, and you need to bring her in more regularly. And I've never taken a dog ever to do that, and it just dawned on me that maybe that's why she wasn't feeling well. Anyway, poor thing. But so then I didn't feed her before I left, and I'm like, I'm such a bad dog mom, so I just bought her meatballs in the store, so I'm going to feed her some meatballs.
Oh my God, you're crazy. Now,
So she's had a bad day.
What did she do?
The girl deserves some meatballs. And my mom used to make meatballs for my dog growing up, so I'm thinking, I think they're good for dogs.
and she should eat them here because Sophie will be jealous.
Right. Well, that was why I was saying. I was declaring that meatballs are coming out because I don't want them to fight over the meatballs.
But also, she might have meatball breath when she gets back to our place.
And then
Sophie will know.
She will. I actually thought about that. On
Did
the way
you?
over. I did.
I knew you and I would think of
I
that.
know. I was like, I wonder if Sophie's going to be upset that Freckles has meatballs. But they're kind of like cold, but I think that's okay, right?
Yeah.
Do you think she can eat both, or should I just give her one? But this is her dinner, really.
Well, why not give her one initially? Because she might just swallow that whole.
Yeah, let's see if she eats it. But I was gonna kind of cut it in
Pop,
pieces.
pop one here.
Well, I don't want her to get it over the.
No. Pop the one that you're not chopping up here.
Oh, I see what you're saying. You're so smart. We'll do another one.
Did you eat that meatball?
That was pretty fun.
Okay. I think she had a traumatizing day, so she's allowed to have it.
Did you eat that meatball?
That was pretty fun.